Are you looking for a more affordable and flexible way to offer health benefits as a small business or nonprofit? For many years, organizations had only one option, a traditional group health insurance plan. But these plans don't work for everyone. They're expensive, rigid, and have high participation requirements. By offering a health reimbursement arrangement, or HRA, employers can offer a cost-controlled health benefit that's more inclusive and tailored to their employees than the one-size-fits-all approach a group health plan provides. In this video, I'll cover everything you need to know about HRAs. What is an HRA? An HRA is an employer-funded health benefit. Employers use them to reimburse their employees tax-free for qualifying healthcare expenses and health insurance premiums, depending on the type of HRA. How does an HRA work? Here's a quick breakdown of the process. The employer sets aside a specific amount of tax-free money for each employee. Employees use their own money to pay for medical expenses such as individual health insurance premiums, co-pays, and other healthcare services. They submit proof of those qualifying out-of-pocket costs to their employer for reimbursement. Once the employer or third-party administrator approves the expense, employers reimburse employees up to their allowance amount. What are the different types of HRAs? Here are some of the most common types of HRAs available. The Qualified Small Employer HRA is only available to employers with fewer than 50 full-time equivalent employees. All W-2 full-time employees are automatically eligible as long as they're covered by plans that offer minimum essential coverage. The IRS caps maximum allowances for the year. The Individual Coverage HRA is for employers of all sizes. With the ICHRA, employers can offer different allowance amounts to different classes of employees based on job criteria, such as full-time and salaried. Employees need their own qualifying individual insurance plans to participate in the ICHRA. The Group Coverage HRA, also known as an Integrated HRA, supplements group health insurance to cover out-of-pocket expenses your group plan doesn't cover or fully pay for. This is a great way to reduce employee out-of-pocket costs if you offer a high-deductible health plan. What are the benefits of HRAs? While there are many benefits to offering HRAs to your employees, here are some of the most significant. HRAs are accessible to all employers and budgets. Unlike a group health plan, an HRA isn't subject to annual rate hikes or minimum participation requirements. Employers can set a monthly allowance that best fits their budget. HRAs empower employees. With a QSERA or an ICHRA, employees can choose an individual health insurance plan that best fits their unique needs. HRAs offer tax advantages. With an HRA, reimbursements are free of payroll taxes for employers and free of income taxes for employees. HRAs promote retention and employee satisfaction. When your employees feel cared for, they're more likely to stay with your organization. There's no wasted spending with an HRA. You only reimburse employees for eligible expenses they incur. Unused funds also stay with you if an employee leaves your organization. With our easy-to-use software, we simplify the process of offering an HRA. Our experts conduct documentation reviews for all employee expenses, provide award-winning customer support, and generate federally required plan documents to ensure compliance and privacy. Our team is dedicated to handling the difficult tasks for you, so you can concentrate on managing your business. Don't let group health insurance get you down. With an HRA, employers can take care of their employees while staying within their budgets. To learn more, you can check out our resources on HRAs. We provided a link to them in the description. If you're an employer looking to provide employee benefits, PeopleKeep can help. Our HRA administration platform makes it easy to set up and manage personalized health benefits in just minutes each month. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more employee benefits and small business tips. Thanks for watching.